Okay, our last example was negative 3 plus -5. Now in this, we said that our first step, we should make sure that each number have a single sign. So the first number have 3 signs and the second number have 2 signs. So we must multiply the signs to the respective number so that we can get a single sign for the further steps. Now we have negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative. So our final sign is -3. Then we have positive times negative is negative, so we have -5. Now our final simplified numbers, they have the same sign. This is the first number is negative, the second number is negative, so they have the same sign. So we take 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now what will be the sign of that 8? Okay, 3 and 5, which one is big? 5 is big. What is the sign of 5? The sign of 5 is negative, so the answer is -8. And that is about the operation of the integers. Maybe let me give a short history. Why I have reached by this method of teaching. Actually, after a long time, I was been teaching mathematics for O level. Most of the ordinary level students, they are very poor in integers operation. And the problem was about the foundation of the integers. Now maybe the system which is used in teaching about the integers, actually it is in mathematical point of view, but it is confusing many students. Then after having that problem for a long time, I sat down and discussed the way I can make this to be understood. So I ended up by taking these these rules, which are now I have written there. So I can say that maybe in summary, here, if you manage to simplify, especially for addition and subtraction, if you manage to simplify your numbers into each number having a single sign, that is very important. Otherwise, if you use the multiple sign, you will confuse. So you have to use this concept of you simplify each number must have a single sign. Then after that, we are coming to investigate. We have two cases. Are they have the same sign or different sign? It doesn't matter, the same sign, whether it is positive, positive, or negative, negative. When they have the same sign, you add that numbers. And after adding your final answer, you just put a sign of the bigger number. When I talk of the bigger number, don't take consideration of the sign. Please, 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 don't take consideration of the sign. Just take the numbers as number. And then you take the first number, is it positive? The second number is positive, then they have the same sign. Or the first number is negative, and the second number is negative, then they have the same sign. So you take the first number plus the second number, then you put the answer, and the final sign of your answer should be the sign of, among that numbers which you are adding, then you take the number which is big, you put the sign to your answer. And if that two numbers have different signs, it means that one of them is minus and the other is positive, then what you have to do, you have to subtract. You take the difference. The difference means you take the bigger number minus the small number without considering the sign which is attached to that number. Just take the numbers as numbers. So you take the bigger number minus the small number, and then the result, you have to put the sign of the bigger number among the two numbers. Then you will find that this topic is very, very simple. And actually, this topic is very important. It's very important. Almost all branches of mathematics, you will meet with these integers. After that, maybe to summarize, for secondary students and primary students who are watching this channel, you have to subscribe and also tell your friend. I will be continuing putting good things, and if maybe you have the challenged in some of the topics, you can also post it through my WhatsApp account number, or you can just post it in my Facebook. I have in my Facebook, I have an account which is called Magombola Mathematics Online. Magombola Mathematics Online. So I will see you there, and your problem I will try to work out. And if maybe you can just put even your number so that I can call you. Thank you very much. That is mathematics, and I can say that this is a basic and important topic in mathematics, which is covering all areas of all branches of mathematics. If you will be keen in this, even without asking your friend, you will understand, and you will be among the people who will have no problem in integers. Thank you very much.